During this video, we are going to assemble an offer letter, which is going to become the template. And then we're going to use Power Automate to populate the Word document to make sure that we only alter the fields that are supposed to be altered. So if you watch my intro video, on our screen, we have the same exact Word document for the offer letter. Here I've highlighted in bold and in red font the 9 fields that need to be updated each time we're going to use this cover letter. Each time we use this offer letter. So for the first thing we're going to need to do is to make each one of those red items a control. So first I need to add the developer tab to my Word capabilities. So first I'm going to click on File, and then below I will click on Options and Customize Ribbon. Here on the right, I'm going to find Developer and check that box and OK. And now you can see the Developer tab is listed here on the top. Next, I am going to highlight the area that needs to become our control and is going to be updated in the future by that Power Automate flow. So here I'm going to highlight Offer Letter, Date, and now I will click on Developer, and under the Control section, I'm going to click on the Plain Text option here. I'll click on that. And now you can see that put a box around my text and some 3 dots in front of it. Here I'm going to click on Properties, and here I'm going to give my control a title and a tag. So we're going to make this unique every single time, but very descriptive. So here I'm going to do offer letter date on both fields and click OK. And I'm going to pretty much do the same steps for the next 8 fields. So we'll highlight candidate's name. We'll click on Developer and the plain text control again, Properties, and I'll add a title and a tag, candidate's name, in both. As you keep on watching, I'm going to highlight every single one of those red sections and fonts and make those controls. All right, every single one of these bold and red items is now a control. And as I click on the controls, you can see the title of each of the control as we assigned it. Now I'm going to save our file. So I'm going to click File and Save As. And I'm going to make sure I save this document under my Human Resources Template folder on OneDrive. Here I'm going to give my document a name. We will name this Offer Letter Template and click Save. Great. So now our Word document is now a template and it lives in that folder. Ideally, that Human Resources Template folder is going to be locked down to only the people who are authorized within your company to change that template. So if anybody in your company needs to create an offer letter, they would go to Power Automate, fill out the 9 fields that we identified as controls that need to be customized and personalized per letter, and that is how anyone else in the company would create a cover letter if needed. So stay tuned for the second video to show you how to assemble that Power Automate flow and get this process going.